Good morning, children. Let us continue with lesson number 2, Matter and Materials. We have already learnt about fibers. Now let us recall natural fibers. What are natural fibers, children? Which we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Example, cotton, jute, etc. Now let us learn about cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant or cotton tree. Have you seen a cotton plant? Yes. We will learn about it now. A cotton plant is a bushy plant of 5 to 6 feet height. Cotton grows well in black soil and alluvial soil. The cotton plant bears a large amount of small green buds called cotton balls. These balls contain seeds covered with white fibers. When the cotton balls mature, they burst, exposing the white fiber of cotton. Cotton is usually handpicked from the plants. Once it is picked, the raw fibers are ginned. Do you know what is ginning? The raw fibers of cotton are separated from its seeds by a process known as ginning. The fibrous material left after separating cotton seeds is called lint. The lint is then tied and pressed into balls. The spinal proportions of short fibers and other impurities are removed by the process of combing. The next process is spinning. What is called spinning? The process of making yarn from lint fiber is called spinning. Spinning is done on a large scale with the help of spinning machines. The yarn is now sent for weaving. Weaving and knitting are the two most important processes used for making fabric from the yarn. What is called weaving? The process of making two sets of yarns together to make fabric is called weaving. The process of making two sets of yarns together to make fabric is called weaving. It is done by weavers on a machine called loom. The loom are either hand operated hand looms or power operated. During knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. It is done by hand and also on machine. Now fabric is ready. Let us learn its uses. Cotton is used to manufacture cotton textiles and garments. It is used as fillers in pillows and mattresses. It used for making surgical bandages. It is used for making dhotis, bed sheets, tablecloth and so on. Homework. Roman number 1. Answer the following. First question. What is known as ginning? Answer. The raw fibers of cotton are separated from its seeds by a process known as ginning. Answer. The raw fibers of cotton are separated from its seeds by a process known as ginning. What is called lint? The fibrous materials of cotton left after separating from cotton seeds is called lint. Again, the fibrous materials of cotton left after separating from cotton seeds is called lint. Write 2 times. Thank you, children.